Enjoy brilliant sunset vistas overlooking a scenic backyard lake in this beautiful 5-bedroom, 3.5 baths, 3,500 square feet, 2-story brick home. This gorgeous home features a well-designed open floor plan with high ceilings and tons of natural sunlight. Classic French doors lead into a cozy carpeted family room. This spacious eat-in kitchen has new stainless steel appliances and pecan hardwood floors. Unique first and second floor master suites with large dual vanities, separate walk-in showers, jetted bathtubs and walk-in closets. Carpeting in living room, first floor master and entire upstairs. 2-car garage, rust-proof sprinkler system, 2-zoned HVAC, gas fireplace, newer 5-year-old roof, new driveway and walkways. Located